So all you do, you need to be on your Google Ads account, and then you want to come over to Tools and Setting, and you need the expert account rather than the beginner account. Both are completely free, expert and beginner. But when you set up your account, you can either set it up as an expert or a beginner. If you've got a beginner account, just Google how to upgrade account to expert. Okay. Then you want to come to Keyword Planner over here. Boink. And then when you do that, you want to go to Discover New Keywords. Beep, beep, beep. And all you want to do is take the URL for a product. So either your product or somebody else's similar product. And you could absolutely do this with other people's products to get ideas. And you want to start with a website. Use that page only. So you're not going to get all of Amazon.com. You just want to get the keywords available on there and then get results. Now, what it's going to do is Google's now going to go to that web page and crawl it and find all the relevant search terms for that product. Okay. But there is typically a problem. And the problem is that you're also going to normally get, it's not so bad this time, but typically what you'd also get is search terms with Amazon in them as well. Okay. So you want to get rid of them. Way to get rid of them is just add a filter, and we're going to filter out a search term. Does not contain the word Amazon. Apply it. And now we've reduced the number of results we've got, but now the results are a lot more relevant to actually running PPC campaigns, okay? A much better way of doing it. So that's a really simple way of coming up with heaps and heaps of great keyword ideas for your products, whether that's for Google PPC, Amazon PPC, YouTube PPC, whatever it may be, makes it really, really simple, okay? That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much, much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.